line of dance, which is the gentleman's left hand holding the lady's left hand, and the gentleman's right hand holding the lady's right hand. So we commence with 4 walks, both lady and gent commencing on the left foot, and we're turning a half and then walking backwards. So we walk 1, 2, 3, turn, back, 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 close. Left foot for both lady and gent again, walking 1, 2, 3, turn, back, 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 close. So shall we try that all together again? Gentleman left, lady left, and walk, 2, 3, turn, back, 2, 3, close. Walk, 2, 3, turn, back, 2, 3, close. The lady at this point has closed without weight. So she's going to commence the next section on her right foot. The gentleman will commence the next section on his left foot. So the gentleman continues walking for 4, left, right, left, right. The lady is dancing 2 underarm turns to her right, and that's under the gent or under the joined right hands. So we're going to dance 1, 2, 3, 4, and we end facing our partner and adopt a double hold. So shall we put that together from the beginning? So in your shadow hold, facing in front, both lady and gent on the left foot. And 1, 2, 3, turn, back, 2, close together. Walk, 2, 3, turn, back, 2, now the lady turns. Under, 2, 3, 4. And we're there facing our partner. We now dance 2 side closes down the room. Side, close, side, close. Now we have optional ends on the end of this dance. We could dance the waltz turn, as we did in our lilac waltz and our Boston two-step, which would be 1, 2, 3. The lady turning strongly to end in the shadow hold. Feet together. So that's the waltz ending, but we could also dance the chassis turns that we've just talked about in our yearning saunter, which would be the step close, step around, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the lady turns again, closing together to adopt the starting position. So let's go from the beginning and put all that together, and the chassis turn or the waltz turn is entirely your choice. So both on the left foot, and 1, 2, 3, turn, back, 2, close together, 1, 2, 3, turn, 1, 2, the lady under the arm. Man keeps walking down the room, side, close, waltz or chassis, 1, and 2, and 3, and the lady turns to the double shadow hold.